we are creating this such kind of table. Like as you can see, as you are seeing it here, we have full name and then surname, likewise age. So let's assume you are the one that you typed all this name out, so you are still going to be separating it. Like surname for this John Smith is John, so you are still going to be typing it for here like this, John, something like this, something like this. Stop doing that. Let me show you the easiest way that you can make use of your splitting surname from middle name. So this is the easiest way that you can just make use that you can just follow to make use of this thing better and make it look better. So the thing that you just have to do is that firstly retype this first one. As you can see, my first name for here is John Smith, and then firstly retype the first surname in this surname shell. So and then we can just come to data. As you are seeing it here, you can see that we have flash fill. So flash fill is the thing that is going to help you split your surname from your main name. Like your middle name with your surname, it will split them apart. So you see the easiest way. So another way that you can simply do this thing is that you can click Ctrl E, Ctrl plus E. So you can click Ctrl E. As you are seeing it, let me try it and let you see. So you just have to place to select the shell of this first surname that you retyped, and then click Ctrl plus E. It is going to help you generate all your surname. It will be split it apart. So that is that about that for this flash fill. So let us move to data validation. But before we go, let me firstly tell you how this data validation is working. You see this data validation bar? So it is just like you want to restrict some value. Maybe for all this name that I listed out, I don't want their age to up to 50. I want it to start from 5 years to 50 years. So if I want to try to input value the age that is up to 50, like 51 or less than 5, this my data validation will be restricted for me. Like it will be rejecting it to me back, like this thing is not proper with the format of this shell. So let me show you how this data validation is working. So where you have to go is that go to data. As you are seeing it here is data in ribbons. We call all these tools ribbon. So once you come to data like this, you can see this data validation under data. As you are seeing it here is our data validation. So the thing that you just have to do is that click on this data validation. You know, I have already highlighted out all the column that I want to format to. So click on data validation and then we click on this data validation. As you are seeing it here, we have allow. That means I want to use command for this shell. I want to dedicate all the value that it will be collecting and other value that it will be reject. So let me choose all value, and then I choose between. You can make use of maybe their age must greater than or equal to 50. So it will be rejecting all the value that is below 50 bits. So let me choose between, and then I choose 5 years to 50 years. So whatever any number that I'm trying to input into this column like this, if it is not between 5 to 50, it will be rejecting it. So let me try it. Let's say this number one, I have 21 years old. This one I have 35. This one I have 46. This one I have 57. As you can see, what's just pumped out here, you see it. As you can see, this value does not match the data validation restriction defined for this shell, so it doesn't match or how I format this shell, so I have to change the value in order to work out. So let me choose 50, let me choose 31, let me try 1 will not work. I hope you are getting this thing better. Here is it. You see 1 is not working. It is because that this value is below 5. Only I set this format to if it is greater than 5, less than 50. That's only the value that it can collect. So let me choose other value. As you can see, it will not collect 76. So that is that about that. I hope you found this video helpful. So make sure you like and share with your friends to let them learn and benefit from this video. Thanks for watching Tech Vista channel.